With technology being one of the most important sources of development in the case of any cryptocurrency, Monero has been aiming to build innovation that will certainly change the manner in which we look at cryptocurrencies in this world. Monero has been one of the fascinating cryptocurrencies in the market. Today's video will be about analyzing the effect that Monero's technological advancement is having on the market. We will be analyzing the manner in which investors have been perceiving this technology, and will also make sure you stay updated about all of the important updates taking place in this region. So stay tuned till the end. This is not a video you would want to miss out on. Welcome back to CryptoSafe, one of the best channels for you to gain daily updates on your privacy cryptocurrencies. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also let us know in the comments section about your thoughts on Monero. The world of cryptocurrencies is something that has a lot of potential in the present times. Especially with the new technologies coming in, it becomes extremely important for the companies looking forward to making use of this update in technologies to be on top of all of the advancements in this field. With Monero on their watch list, they get exposed to the best of the technologies in the shortest span of time. Before we get started, we would love to see more people participating, as we are certain that many have entered the crypto world to gain some money, but most are forgetting what also is needed, and that is our privacy, which we are losing very quickly. Keep your eye on the ball and invest smart, people! We would love you to share this video with your friends and family and discuss the importance of privacy coins. Let us get a thing straight before we get started. The truth is that Monero is one of the most elite cryptocurrencies in terms of technology and the kind of innovation it has been bringing in. It has a decent market experience and has been performing really well recently. Though all these factors are in its favor, it is important to understand that you may not see a major spike in the prices one fine day all of a sudden. That is just not how Monero works and will work anytime in the future. Monero is one of the most stable cryptocurrencies compared to the extreme volatilities noted elsewhere, and because of this, the price movements are also very controlled. Now, when we say controlled, we do not mean controlled by any external agency or a person. However, what we mean is that the prices move in a very restricted manner, which helps the investors make the best moves at the best times. Being extremely bullish, as we mentioned, may not be the best approach for a cryptocurrency like Monero that is more about being realistic and practical. One of the best features of Monero is that it is a cryptocurrency that works based on real-life scenarios and gradually overcomes them with pure technological advancements, which are worked upon by the members of the community and other investors. Therefore, one cannot really expect a spike in the prices, as it is being noticed in other cryptocurrencies. Monero is just not a cryptocurrency that will spike up high and fall down even worse. It is a cryptocurrency best suited for long-term investments and for those investors who are in it for a longer term. In the present day, investors need to keep in mind that the trend is around the $180 mark. This means that for an investor looking forward to making an investment at this point in time, it will be best to make it around the $180 mark, as it has been the support for quite a long time on multiple occasions. The chances are that we might even see this price being continued even further horizontally until we see the push to the higher margins. As a matter of fact, this push to the higher margins is also not far away from what we would expect it to be. We may be able to see this push in the prices as soon as by the end of this month. However, this yet again depends a lot on how the developers put into the technology and, through that, the view of the investors on it. We told you about the situation if the prices continue to be above the mentioned bar. However, we need to be prepared for either side of the events. In case the prices start dropping below the said mark, we think that it is time for you to start being bearish on the cryptocurrency. This is the time when you will start needing to relook into the decisions being made to best suit your investment portfolio. So, keep in mind, the most important bar at this point in time is the $180 mark, and all investors need to keep an eye out for it. The best thing that we can predict out of the charts at this point in time is a sideways movement in prices. This means that there are chances that we may be able to get the prices assorted, neither bullish nor bearish, but sideways for a significant time in the future. With such indications being shown on the charts, we think it will be best to declare that this trend will continue for quite some time. An investor needs to keep an eye out on whether the prices tend to stay above the $180 mark. We are of the opinion that the prices will continue to stay above the said line. However, at the same time, in case it falls, we want our views to know of the impact it could have and the best alternative they may be having in such circumstances. The information we've been giving you is all based on the charts, and the charts, at this point in time, seem to be stable. This stability will be maintained, and there will be a sideways movement. This will be the best prediction that can be made at this point in time, looking at it from a practical point of view. Now, if we were to be optimistic about Monero, we would say that the prices will increase to touch the $250 mark very soon, maybe even by the end of this week. However, while we say that, keep in mind that the market at this point in time is at a very critical level, and being overly optimistic may not be the best approach. We are not bearish about Monero at all, given the potential it has in the long term. What we feel right now is that it is crucial support that needs to be maintained, while on the other hand, we do not want you to make any losses through any of your investments. So, the best approach here will be to keep an eye out on the charts for a fall below $180. Invest at the lowest point possible, over $180, and watch it grow with time. Keep in mind that this is a long-term project and will require some time to bloom and provide you with the returns you have been expecting to make. As of the 16th of January 2022, the prices have already crossed the $180 mark and seem to be fairly hovering above the said support level. The price stands at $216 with 1.72% in the red. Therefore, as we mentioned earlier, an investor needs to keep in mind that the $180 is a crucial point on the chart for Monero and must be respected under all circumstances. We hope this video helped you gain valuable insights into the market and the trends that it has been showing through the chart. Make sure you never miss out on an opportunity and verify all that we have been telling you before making any investments. It is very important to keep an eye out on the indications, as these indications will help you make an investment that could change your portfolio for the best. Make sure you hit the like button, don't forget about the giveaway, turn on the post notifications, and we will meet the next time on this channel.